Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having an awesome day / week. It is actually Monday for me, and starting last week, my husband and I together started doing something a little bit different. We've been waking up at 6 a.m. to start work, so we've been starting work at between like 6:40 and 7. Game changer for my ADHD brain. So much better for my procrastination. I don't feel defeated before I even start something, and I'm just loving it so much. So hopefully I can keep doing that forever. Hopefully putting it out into the world through the words that I just shared in this video will motivate me to keep doing that forever. So yeah, I thought today I would take the time to show you guys something that I have been asked about over and over and over. It's probably one of my most asked about things, which is my dress collection. I wear dresses a lot in my videos, even though right now I'm not wearing a dress. But I usually do. 1, because my apartment gets warm. 2, because I like the way dresses look. I have since I was like 4 years old, always liked to wear dresses. I also just find when I'm physically doing a DIY, I get really hot. So just having a dress on makes it a lot easier. And obviously in the summer, all summer long, I try and wear as many dresses as I can. At the time of me filming this, in Canada at least, not all the summer dresses are out. So a lot of my stuff obviously is from last year or even the year before, but I have seen them come back in stock when the summer months come around. So maybe you'll be able to get them when summer collections come out. But yeah, let's go grab the dresses and I'll try them on and I'll tell you about them. Okay, shall we start? Because I think that would be a good thing. Lots of dresses here to show you. Let's do it. Okay, so for the first dress, we have this one. I have never got more questions on a dress in my entire life. Not only from you guys online commenting, DMs, responses to stories, but also on the street. I've had people roll down their windows while I'm walking on the street and be like, I love your dress. And I'm like, thank you very much. And I too love this dress very much. Well, first I'll show you the full look. It has like a cutout in the back. It has like a open slit here with a little ruffle hem thing, loose sleeves. The fit is perfect in my opinion. I can't usually wear dresses that fit like this, but for some reason the way it hangs and the pattern's perfect. It was from Forever 21, circa maybe 3 years ago. I have loved this dress so much that I tried to find on Poshmark, on eBay. I've tried to find like it secondhand so I can just rebuy it off of someone. It came in another print, which I think was a cheetah print, which I don't like nearly as much as this, but I would buy it because that's how much I liked this fit. So I am considering maybe making this dress myself or getting it made by a tailor, but I want to do one or the other. Can I remake this dress myself? What do you think? Okay. Next dress. So this is my next dress and I wear this a lot in my videos, especially in the summer, just because it's white and it's airy and my apartment is hot, and this is just a great dress that's flowy. I actually got this one last year from Marshalls. So I love Marshalls and Winners and HomeSense and stuff like that. I love finding just like one of a kind things, I guess, but yeah, I love this one. I will, if I can see the brand, I will insert it down below because maybe you and me both can look online to see if they sell just like variations of this dress. But yeah, I really like it. It's like a nice lace printy dress. This is usually the style of dress that I feel the most comfortable wearing, just because it's like tighter in the waist and like rib cage area, and then kind of fans out a little bit more in like the hip area. Yeah, this one is great. I love summer dresses so much. This dress is from Old Navy, okay? A little secret gem for sundresses. It has like a really nice gingham print. I think it's gingham. Yeah, it is. And it was the first one that I got in this style. It had that nice square neckline, which was really popular starting last year. It fits perfectly. It's super whimsical. I wear it to dinner. I also wear it to DIY. And what's funny about this is I got this one, I tried it on, I loved it. I started wearing it immediately. This was at the end of last year, but I do still see it in some colors online, so if it's still there, I will link it down below. Then I liked it so much, I think I got it for like $35 or $40 or something like that. And then I saw that it had it in another color, and then I got that one, and then I saw like 2 weeks later that it was on sale in solid colors, so I got 2 more. So I in total have it in 4 colors, but I don't think people would know that, especially because the patterns are quite different. So yeah, this is the first one, and now I will try on the second one. 1 second. Okay, so this is the next one that I have, which is basically just that, but in the color black. It's a completely different type of material. The way that this feels to me is just slightly less nice than the other one, but I still love this. I also sized down in a lot of their dresses, so I'm usually a size medium, I'd say. And in this, I felt like the medium was too big. So this is a size small, which I think fits really nicely. And if I'm being 100% honest, obviously you can use this for the exact same purposes as the other one. So you can wear it and dress it up, dress it down, etc. To be honest, I wear dresses in my home doing DIYs, and I got the black one so that when I stain, or if I use dark paint or something like that, but it's still warm and I want to wear something that is still like a dress, I can wear this dress because it's black. So it's a little bit more forgiving, especially for wood stain, because that's like my fear. But yeah, so I like this one too. I've been wearing this one a lot as well, and I think that it's just like the perfect flowy summer dress, but in my instance, I wear it all year round. And then the next one, same style, different print. This one I liked because it was like yellow plaid. I don't have anything else that's yellow. So I actually questioned whether or not I should get this, but I'm pretty sure I got it for like $20. And it has pockets. I forgot to mention that about this dress. All of them have pockets. But yeah, I really liked this. I loved the pattern of it. I just think that I wasn't 100% sure if yellow was going to be my color, but I feel like it goes with my complexion. And the print's really nice. And again, you could style this up and style it down. Actually, this one I think you even have an easier time styling down just because of the print. It looks like it could be like a little picnic-y, don't you think? A little picnic-y, but yeah. I obviously wear it a lot to film, but you could do lots with this dress. So again, Old Navy for the win. And then the last one that I got in this style from Old Navy, which by the way, I have been doing this type of thing where I buy the same thing in different patterns my whole life. I am the one who like finds a pair of jeans and just will keep buying the same pair of jeans, or will stockpile it so that I never run out, or same style of boots. I just never want to run out of my favorite things. So yeah, okay, next one. The dress, only in this reddy orange color. I probably wear this one the least often, but I do still wear it. Probably because I got it right at the end of the summer last year. I know I got it for like $15. I thought it was the biggest sale ever. And I just thought this was more of a summer color, like a true summer color. It's bright. And so I haven't really had that much opportunity. I wasn't 100% sure also on the color with my skin complexion. I still feel a little bit iffy about it just because it's like that orangey red. So yeah, I like it. It's nice. Has the same nice fit, has the same pockets, same square neckline. Old Navy for the win. Getting good finds like this. But let's stay on Old Navy because I have another one for Old Navy, different style. This next dress, again, also from Old Navy. I really like it personally. I think it's a really relaxed dress. It's really easy. I can wear it with kids outside to run errands. I could wear it to the beach. I could wear it to dinner even, you know, a picnic vibe. Yes, that works. DIYing, of course. That's what I'm using this for. Someone once commented and said, why are you wearing a nightgown in your video? This isn't a nightgown, it is a dress. It actually came with a belt, but I don't wear the belt just because the belt would work. It just has different vibe. Without the belt, it's just like flowy. If you're wearing heels, it's like more fashionable. I don't know, but I love things that are like flowy and loose. This material is super like cooling in the summer, which I think is great. I think that Old Navy, I was looking at their website, especially in the US, they do have similar dresses to this now, which is awesome. And I've also noticed with Old Navy, they bring back a lot of their styles. So I'm pretty sure if you just wait a little bit, check their website now or in a month, they might have some of the exact same dresses back in style, because I have noticed they do repeat. And these styles are still in for the year. So nice midi length. Actually, this might be, what do you call it? It's like 5 inches above ankle length, which maybe is a little bit longer than midi length, but I really like it personally. Yay. So forget the haters who think it's a nightgown. This dress is a lot of people's favorites as well. It's a slip dress. It's a satiny, silky material. I love this because it is so versatile. You can dress it up with like what you're wearing over top as well. I've worn it with like a leather jacket, a jean jacket, many different options for you. This is actually from Aerie, and I got it 2 years ago, but I have seen that they bring this back in the summer. At least last year as well, they brought it back in the summer. So there is a good chance that they could bring it back again. A really classic dress that's easy to wear, not just in the summer, but also in like the spring, fall, and winter. If you put a sweater over top of it, I feel like it could work as well. This is one I actually have in different colors. So this is like the reddish color. This was the third color that I got, but I'll show you the second color that I got and then the first color that I got. So same dress, except this one is in a sagey color. The edge of the dress is like a nice fringy hem, which is the raw hem of the material. I think this one is probably my lesser favorite of the 3 colors that I have, but I think it's just really nice. I think maybe depending on your complexion, it would work better or worse. But yeah, this is the second one that I got. Okay, so this is the first dress that I bought from there. I love this color. I think it suits my complexion a lot for some reason. It's kind of like a burnt orange, but the tonality is just perfect. I love wearing this to take photos and stuff like that. I wear it often to DIY. I think it's just like a really cool, versatile dress as well. And then to show you one of the ways I wear it that I always get comments on, I've gotten so many of you asking where this sweater is from, and let me just show you. So I often will wear it like this, especially in like the spring. It's like a nice thing to do, just like this. It's nice, it's casual. Unfortunately, this sweater is actually from Marshall's as well, and I got it on clearance, like serious clearance, for maybe $10. I saw it, I bought it, and now I'm pretty sure it's impossible to find. If you want to know the brand is, actually this is the same brand as the, what the heck? I think this is the same brand as the white dress. Nope. The white dress was called Japna, Japna, that's that brand. Same colors. This one is called On the Road, in case you want to look it up. I've never seen that, but who knows. So yeah, that's where this is from. And once again, Aerie, and I'm definitely looking forward to shop at Aerie. Actually, there's no Aerie that's that nearby to me. So I look forward to doing an Aerie order online. I already looked on their website and I see that they have some nice dresses already in stock. Yeah. I will also mention I'm in Canada, so our availability lags a little bit. There might be some products already available in the US because I know that there's like some warmer climate over there. I noticed for Old Navy, for example, there are dresses already available that are full-blown summer, whereas in Canada, they're just trickling out now, so yeah. Actually, and I'm filming this, they might already be out by the time this video goes out. Who knows? I have gotten many questions about this dress. I do like this dress, to be honest. I like the detail of like the ruffle at the bottom. As you can see, most of my dresses have a similar fit to this. You know, this is a flattering style on me, I think, on average. I will say that this dress, I actually made edits to it. So the original dress isn't quite like this. For example, I actually I don't know how I did this. No, I think I edited it. So I think the sleeves were just like this, no bow. And it came with a little belt, to my recollection. And I cut the belt up and created a bow and sewed it on because I thought that was cuter on both sides. This was like the day before I went away on vacation. I did this edit. I do think it's like pretty flattering. I will say though, it's not the most secure dress. I think this probably works better for people that are a little bit flatter chested even than I am, because if I were to lean forward, like an accident could happen. So I only wear this dress if like I'm being very careful, which makes it not the most practical, you know what I'm saying? Now, in terms of where it is from, I'm not saying that I support this brand because I don't. I have heard subsequently questionable things about it. I haven't verified what's right or wrong or what's not. I will say I personally did get this dress a couple years ago from Zaful, I think. I don't know where the design originally came from, but I will say in the past couple months, I did stumble upon a site called Little Lace, which is an Australian dress company. They sell so many pretty dresses. I did see a very similar pattern to that on Little Lace. So if you want an option for this dress, but that's not from that brand, Little Lace does have dresses that are pretty much the exact same style. A little pricier, but they have such stunning designs. I definitely want to place an order with Little Lace. However, I saw on their website that they do not ship to Canada, but I do think they ship to the US. So that's an option as well. But I do like this dress. I still wear it because I don't want to waste it, or, you know, I have it, so I might as well wear it. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you as well. So that is kind of my main summer dress collection that you guys have all been asking about so much, just because I wear them in all my videos. And I'm currently on the hunt for new summer dresses just because I wear them all year round. I film in them. I wear them in the summer. I just love dresses, as we know. We already know this. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to be doing some additional like orders from Amazon, Old Navy, of course, Aerie, and anywhere else that you guys recommend. Please let me know down below if there are, you know my style now. Midi length, flowy from the waist on average, tighter in the rib cage. That is my style. So if you know where I can get dresses that look kind of like that, please let me know. I will probably be doing another video on my next dress orders, I would say, because I feel like who doesn't want summer dresses, I might as well share that with you. And also, please let me know if you want to see me try to recreate my all-time favorite dress, which is the Forever 21 one, the first one that I tried on. There's actually another dress I really want to recreate. It's different. I usually wear it on vacation, so I didn't show it here, but it's floral and the fit is just perfection. I also tried to find that secondhand on Poshmark and on eBay to no avail. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. I know sewing is a little bit different to the norm of what I do on, but either way, I really enjoyed doing this video, so I hope that you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next week.